Maricel Halili, News 5.
Good morning, Yusek. Yusek, may we have your reaction lang dun sa naging statement ni Vice President Sara Duterte that she wants the impeachment trial to pursue because she wants to see bloodbath. Your comment on that?
Medyo may pagkabayulente ang tugon ng ating Vice Presidente, pero we hope that it is just a figure of speech and it should not be taken literally. Kung yan naman po ang nais niya at talaga naman po magkakaroon ng balitaktakan kapag nagkaroon ng trial, hayaan na lang natin po itong gumulong.
Sa point of view po ng Palace, whose blood should be spilled?
Hindi po makikialam ang Pangulo patungkol sa ganyang issue.
Okay, but do you agree with the statement of former Senator De Lima that this is a toxic rhetoric remarks coming from the Vice President?
Hindi rin po tayo magbibigay ng anumang opinion patungkol po dyan.
Salamat, Yusek.
Clay Pardilla.